Hello fantastic folks, Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT, and today we are ramping up our JavaScript series. In this video we will kick things off by installing CodeRunner in the Visual Studio Code. Then we will venture into the world of JavaScript object, and finally we will tackle conditional statements. Ready for some coding magic? Let's do it. First step is our install CodeRunner in VS Code. Why we are installing the CodeRunner in VS Code? Let me show you. First, we are in the previous video we are getting the output in the console. Like this is the index.html. If we run this file, then we can just see the console and we get the output. How? Just see this. This is a console, and if we write this console.log hello world, you will get the output. But if you want the output in the terminal, how you can get? First, you have to just install the CodeRunner and you will get the output in your terminal. Just show you. Before we will diving into, let's set up our playground. If you are using Visual Studio Code, installing CodeRunner is like adding turbo boost to your coding experience. It allows you to run your code instantly and see the result. First, you have to open the VS Code. Obviously, go to the extension and search for CodeRunner. So this is the CodeRunner. You have to install it, and after installing you will get this icon. And just I want to see you, like, now if we console.log and write hey, and you will get the output in terminal. But how? Just click it. You can see this hey. Okay, let's move to next part. Our next part is objects in JavaScript. Now let's dive into the exciting world of JavaScript objects. Objects are like a container that can hold multiple pieces of information. They are perfect for grouping related data together. Like objects are the key pairs value. Think of them as real world object. You can say that a car is an object. Could have a properties like color, model, speed, mileage, numbers of tires. Example of a person object. Let's see. You can make the person as an object with some properties. Let person. This is the object name, and in this the braces. In this braces you can give the key values pair. Like name is a property, and this is the name John. Age property 30, profession developer. You can also access this properties single. Like if you want to access the property name, you just have to print a statement console.log. Just you have to this. If you want to access the age, just you have to change the property name and you will get the age. See 30. And if you want to add more properties in this, just write person dot, like I want to add height. Height is equal to 12. If you now you can just console.log and access the person height. You can see the object is updated and person height is 12. Let's move on to the next topic. In the upcoming videos we will see the object in fully depth. Object help you organize and manage complex data in a structure, making your code more efficient. So our next topic is conditional statement. Time to level up our coding skill with conditional statement. These are like decision makers in your code. Depending on certain conditions, your code take different paths, like having code head adapt and react intelligently. First is example of if statement. Now let temperature is equal to 25. If you want to take some actions on the based on conditions, like if temperature is over 30, this is a greater than sign. This is a conditional signs, like a temperature is greater than 30, you have to print it's a hot day. If else, if this is the other condition, this condition below it is a if else temperature is less than 30 or equal to 30, and this is the AND operator. In the upcoming video, we will see the operators in depth. Temperature, if greater than or is equal to 20, you have to print the weather is just right. If these both condition will not true, then the else condition will come. Console dot it's bit chilly. So hope you get the idea of conditional statement. Now we will see some practical example. This is the age. You know that age, if the age is equal to 18 or greater than 18, you are eligible for vote. But you are not. If you are not, then you are not eligible for vote. This is a conditional statement showing this example in conditional statement. Like age is greater than or equal to 18, you are eligible for vote. This is a print statement. Else, sorry, you are not eligible for vote. Just run it. You are eligible for vote if age is 18. If I write 14, then this statement is sorry, you are not eligible for vote. So hope you are understanding what I want to say. Now let's wrap up today's JavaScript journey. We install the code runner to turbocharge our coding experience, delve into the world of JavaScript object, and master the art of conditional statement. Now it's turn to dive into your code editor, explore objects, and experiment with conditional statement. The coding world is your conquer. Just more practice and you will get the more results. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit like, subscribe, and share your thought in the comments. What JavaScript topic do you want to explore next? Until happy coding.